We never talked about strengthening our immunity as in the last few days, right? So in today's video, we will show you an incredible recipe to boost your immune system. To improve and strengthen our immunity, we need to take care of ourselves. We need foods that stimulate our bodies and avoid fried foods, processed, industrialized junk foods. It is also necessary to rest and sleep well, exercise, preferably under the sunlight, and use essential oils, which always appear on our channel. But if you need an extra boost, we have just the right recipe for you. Learn how to make a garlic and turmeric lemonade to boost your immunity. 3 garlic cloves contains many health benefits, like aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, stimulating the immune system, lowering blood pressure, fighting heart diseases, and eliminating toxins. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. It contains a compound called curcumin that works as a natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory. Turmeric regulates the inflammatory imbalances in tissues, destroys harmful pathogens, and creates a protective barrier against infectious agents. 2 lemons. Improves digestion, boosts immunity, and has anti-inflammatory properties and detox power. Also, to really get the best out of your lemons, mix the juice in some warm water. It facilitates the assimilation of nutrients and also removes harmful substances from our bodies. 5 ounces hot water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. See how to make it. Peel the garlic and put it in a blender or food processor. Add the lemon juice and turmeric and blend. Add the water, mix well, and drink right away. Do it 3 times a day in the following way. In the morning while fasting, 30 minutes before your breakfast. At midday, 30 minutes before your lunch. At night, half an hour before going to bed. This lemonade is efficient against cough, colds, fever, symptoms of flu, and sore throats. It also reconstructs your immunity and is an excellent anti-inflammatory. Do this lemonade and eat more foods that fight viral infections, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts and seeds, spices, and microalgae. All these foods have the nutrients and substances that prevent infections, phytochemicals, boosting your immune system. Drink plenty of water, coconut water, green, matcha, and chamomile tea, and other teas to stay hydrated. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.